Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to set custom notification low battery. For set these settings, you need Shortcuts app. The Shortcuts app is by default on your iPhone. If the app is not your iPhone, then install the app from App Store. To do that settings, you need to open Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Automation. Tap Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and find Battery Level. Tap on Battery Level. Now select any on from here. For example, I select equal 50%. Then tap Next, upper right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Add Action. Here, tap on the search bar and type for notification. Tap on Show Notification. Tap Hello World next to Show Notification. Replace any text you want. For example, you need to grab the charger. Tap Next, upper right corner of your screen. Turn off Ask Before Running. Tap on Don't Ask. Now tap Done. That's it. Now if your iPhone charges 50%, it will notify you via this text. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.